Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a highly requested video, and that's going to be all about my faux locks. So I intend for this video to be like everything you need to know about faux locks and how to make them look so natural. I'm not kidding when I say that I've been complimented so many times, whether it be on social media or in real life, from people about my hair. I've had people that actually have locks, like real locks going out of their scalp, that ask me how long I've been growing my hair out, and I'm just like, huh? So I'm going to talk about my hair in categories, kind of like I did with my all about my box braids video. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about and you want to know about box braids, I'm going to insert the link somewhere here on this screen and also in the description box below. You guys can go ahead and check that out. Box braids used to be my go-to hairstyle until, you know, I got put on to faux locks, and now I'm totally obsessed. So yeah, let's just jump into this video now. Hold on, wait everyone, hold on. Have you subscribed yet? Have you hit that notification bell below? If not, let's just, you know, give you a quick little second to do so. Okay, cool. Think we got that done? Let's get back to the video. So now for my personal experience and my thoughts on faux locks. I obviously love them. I have been rocking them on and off for about 2 years. I say on and off because, you know, I switch my hairstyles up a little bit in between. But I do want to say that I love my faux locks because I find them just as convenient as my previous go-to hairstyle, which was box braids. For a protective style, I think it does a really good job of protecting my hair. It has a very beautiful, natural look to it. Like, I don't know, I feel like faux locks gives me like a vibe. She's cute and I like rocking with her. So faux locks are my thing. I think they're convenient. They are super lightweight. Now some people might be like, really? They look heavy. They're not heavy. I find my locks to be super like fluffy and so lightweight. Honestly, I think box braids are a little heavier, at least for me in my experience. I think box braids are heavier for me, but like my faux locks, they're like bouncy, and yeah, I don't have a problem when it comes to like heaviness or anything like that. Now, how long does it take me to do my hair? That is a really popular question, and if you guys watch my previous video, you know that my mom is my personal hairstylist. Thank you God for her. Bless her hands, bless her whole life. She's amazing. She does all my hairstyles. So with that being said, we kind of like go with the flow sometimes, and we don't keep track of time that much. We take breaks, things to that nature. However, we timed the last time we did my hair, and it took about 3 hours. Like, so that's not pretty bad, and it's a good bonding experience. So yeah, about 3.5 hours I would say it takes to do my faux locks. So how long do I keep my faux locks in? I keep them in for about 2 to 3 weeks tops. I say 2 weeks is like the sweet spot. Like 2 weeks is great. 3 weeks, that's when I get discomfort. As for like my comfort level of hair, love it, super comfortable. I don't have any irritation, no itching. But when it comes to like 3 weeks, which I try not to do, but when I have it in for a while, it's my like scalp, it starts itching like crazy. Yeah, 3 weeks, that's when I get like a little discomfort when it comes to my hair. But before that, no discomfort whatsoever. Now, does my hair shed or tangle? It doesn't tangle. I don't experience anything with tangles. I will say sometimes though it will like get snatched into things, like if I have a zipper or if someone has like a chain that has a whole bunch of like rhinestones or something, it might get like snatched into it, but it doesn't hurt or anything. Like, it's just because of like the length and things to that nature and like the little bit of frizz that my hair gets. Now, does it shed? I personally like to say that like after a week and a half, my hair kind of like builds character. So in a sense, it looks more natural the longer I have it in. So like a week and a half, 2 weeks, it's when it starts to get fluffy. Some of the locks get thicker than others. It just has a lot of characteristics that look super, super natural in my opinion the longer I have my hair in. So once that happens, then it gets a little bigger and frizzier. And sometimes I'll just rake my fingers through my hair and just like take the hair and get rid of it. But yeah, it doesn't shed like crazy or anything. It's just like once it gets a little longer in the process of wearing them, I feel like it sheds a tad. Another reason I just love faux locks is due to the versatility of it. You can do so many styles. You can put it up, you can put it in a turban, you can put it to the back, to the side, twist it up, like so much. So I love that about it. I also love that there's so many colors on the market, styles, accessories, little jewels that you can add to your hair. Since I have been rocking them for a while, I've worn jet black faux locks. I've had my go-to hair color, which you guys will see the exact specs in a minute. I've had bob faux locks. I've added some goddess locks in the past to my hair. You can just have your whole hair be goddess locks and the ends will be curly. You can buy locks that have like yarn already attached to them. You can add accessories, which I do sometimes. And I do want to add that I am talking about crochet while I'm saying faux locks, because I've been saying this a while and I'm like, I didn't say crochet, but I'm gonna touch on that in my specs, so yeah, I'll touch on it. But yeah, this is crochet, y'all, so I also love how fast and convenient it is. Okay, so now I'm gonna come up close and personal a little with you guys so you can really see how my hair looks. I will say I've been wearing this specific hair in my head for going on 2 weeks now. So yeah, she still looks really cute, real natural, real put together. As you can see, most of them are like the same size, but if I wear them longer, some of them will like kind of get thick and stuff like that, which I love. This is like one protective hairstyle where it's like the longer you have it in, the better it looks. So that's always a win in my book. Okay guys, so I'm a little closer now. I do want to emphasize that these are individual crochet locks. So I use crochet hair, like the crochet lock, to do this, but they are all individual like braiding. So we start off with braiding my hair. As you can see, like it's parted. They're all braids, and what that does, that protects my natural hair, because if I just put the faux lock directly onto my hair, in the past that hasn't been good at all. It will really do damage, at least for me it did. So I always braid my hair first, and with the braiding hair I don't have it on me. I do always use like a kinky hair texture just in case like it kind of like shows a little bit, because if you use like a straight texture or like cackle-on hair, I probably butchered that, but you know what I'm talking about, the ponytail hair, y'all. If I use like straight hair, then it can like kind of like slide out and you see it and stuff like that. So I find that using a kinky braiding hair that is the exact color to the faux locks, it just like, you cannot even detect that I have braids or that these are not growing out of my scalp. So yeah. So now I'm going to get into the fun part, the moment I'm sure you guys all want to know about. What hair do you use? What length is it? What color? What brand? Don't worry, I got y'all. So this brand I have been loyal to, y'all. I am loyal, okay? This is the only brand I have used. So any photo that you see with me wearing faux locks is this brand. It has been a gem for me, and it has not done me wrong since, so why am I gonna leave? No, I'm not gonna do that. So this is really the reason why I think my hair looks natural, is because of the hair that I use, and I always recommend it, because some locks, I don't know, I feel like I could just detect that it's locks because it looks super straight, so shiny, just too neat. And I feel like, you know, right now it's in a neat state, but it still has that like that natural feel to it. So the hair that I use is from Bobbi Boss. It's the Bumba Dreadlocks Faux Locks in Soul. I'm gonna zoom up for y'all, don't worry. And the color that I use, which I also think adds to the natural vibe, is in the shade or color 4. That's the color I use, and to me, instead of having like jet black faux locks, I feel like this slightly brown color just looks really natural, especially when the sun hits it. Like when sun's hitting your hair for a while, it naturally lightens it a bit. So that's why I really like this color on me, because my natural hair is like 1B jet black, but this is just like a beautiful color that I love and I've been like very consistent to. And that's another reason I make sure to match my braiding hair with the faux lock hair, because my natural hair is like pretty dark. A few other specs is that this hair is 100% hand braided. Another reason it has that very natural look to it. It's pre-made loops, so it's very easy to just attach once you have your braid. Makes it quicker as well than actually sitting down and getting these done. Whew, child, I could not imagine. If I had to wait 12 hours to do this, this would not be my go-to. This is also 18 inches, so yeah. The hair that I'm usually rocking is 18 inches. And that's it, y'all. I hope I answered all the questions. That's pretty much all I can think about. I don't want this video to be too lengthy. However, if you have questions that I didn't touch on in this video, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I think that is it. I love you. And yeah, if you guys have a suggestion on another protective hairstyle that you think is worth trying, I'm willing to hear them out at least. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you very shortly in my next video.